Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be making a Christmas tree out of yo-yo fabric circles. They are really easy to make. They're a lot of fun. I started out with an 8.5-inch bowl. Just want to draw a circle around and cut that out. I love this chalk. I bought this at Amazon. Get all these different colors. It is just so handy. And they wash out really easy. At this point, you could put a hole right in the middle, but I always do it at the end, but you could do it right now. Then when I do my string, I always double it for the thread. When you start, you just want to turn it over and make a small stitch to start with, just like that. Then you can do wider stitches all the way around. These are really easy to make and they're a lot of fun. Something you could work on while you're watching TV. And just like that, you want to pull it together. You might have to adjust it a little bit just to make it even. And then you want to sew it down so it doesn't move. They are so pretty. I really like the circle they create. Once you have it anchored down, just go ahead and tie a knot. Then you're going to want to turn it over and put the hole on the other side. Just enough to go over that wooden dowel. Speaking of the wooden dowel, you could just take a wooden dowel and stick it to a piece of cardboard. You could glue it down. That would work. Or like I have it with wood. Then you just want to do your next size a little smaller and keep doing it until you fill up the dowel. You could do these with different colors. There's so many different options. I couldn't decide which way I like this better. But you just play with it until you get it just how you want it. So you could really use whatever size bowl you needed for whatever size yo-yos you want to make. This was just handy. Here I just wanted to add a little something different.